Welcome to this screencast where we will install the HPE Volume driver for Kubernetes FlexVolume plugin on Google Anthos running on HPE Nimble Storage dHCI. First, we navigate to hub.helm.sh. In the search bar, we will type in HPE-storage. We'll select the FlexVolume driver. All the documentation needed to deploy the driver is available in the chart. Please ensure there's no customization needed for your particular environment before deploying. We're going to add the HPE storage repository to Helm. We currently have a 3-node Google Anthos cluster running on HPE Nimble Storage dHCI. Go ahead and add the repository. We also need to add a few parameters to identify the HPE Nimble Storage array to the driver. In this particular example, we also create a default storage class so the users immediately may start deploying stateful applications. It's also important to ensure we deploy the driver in the Kube system namespace. It takes about a minute to deploy. We can observe the driver has been installed on the 3 nodes. As an example, we'll deploy IO zone as a 3-replica stateful set. Each replica will create a persistent volume claim through a volume claim template. Back to my web browser, where I'm logged into my HPE Nimble Storage array, we can observe that the 3 volumes has been created. We can also see that each replica is running on a separate node in the cluster. To demonstrate how the driver automatically deploys to new nodes, we're going to scale up the cluster. Deploying new compute nodes takes about 2-3 minutes. We'll just wait here for a second for that to complete. We can now observe that the driver has been installed on the new nodes. Let's scale up the IO zone stateful set and observe new pods being deployed to the new nodes. Back on the HPE Nimble Storage array, the new volumes has already been created. And this is how you install the HPE Volume driver for Kubernetes FlexVolume plugin on Google Anthos running on HPE Nimble Storage dHCI. That's all for now. Bye.